remove it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so before we go to the parts right here, we have here a paper. Let's see what's inside, because yeah, I know there are some announcements for Beyblade X on these kinds of papers, and yeah, on how to play also. But yeah, we already know how to play the Beyblade X. Okay, let's just open this, and this is an unboxing video also. So let's open everything. Okay, so this one, it's like a promotional kind of video or or a pamphlet or a paper right here. So it's all in katakana. I don't know how to or in a Japanese, I don't know how to read it, but yeah, as I know, they are teasing you some of the next Beyblade that we will have. And yeah, the what is that, man? Gear ball, is that right? It's a gear ball. This is a 360, and then as we yeah, they're just showing that you can combine